Welcome to the Weekly Spanish Review. This is from Mr. Jones's Spanish 1 classes from March 15th to March 19th. We got started this week on sports, los deportes. Goals for this unit are to be able to learn the different names for sports in Spanish, talk about some of those actions that you do in each sport, like run, throw, hit, play, win, lose, and also to learn about sports in Latin America and Spanish-speaking countries, to see what the most famous sports, popular sports are in each country, who are some famous athletes. Alright, so we'll start with the sports. For basketball, we've got baloncesto, or el basquetbol. Soccer is fútbol, fútbol americano, tennis, and baseball. The good thing about this unit, we've got a lot of cognates, words that look similar in English and Spanish, as you can see here with a lot of these sports. Key terms we're going to learn is the verb jugar, to play. As you notice here, this verb is irregular. It's not yo jugo deportes, it's yo juego. In this unit, we're going to see for the first time irregular verbs, verbs that change a little bit with this stem changing. And I'll explain that more in the following weeks. But just an example for this first one, I play sports, yo juego deportes. Nosotros jugamos deportes, we play sports. Other key terms, equipo, the team. Tampa Bay es un equipo de fútbol americano. We've got our verb ganar, to win. Remember, that's an AR verb, so we got to change these when we're talking about different subjects. Like, for example, if you want to say I win, remember we take off that AR and we put an O. Yo gano el partido. The team wins, el equipo gana. Perder is the opposite. That's another stem change, as you can see. I to E. Yo pierdo, el equipo pierde. We're going to learn the verb gustar, which means to like. We're going to see different examples. I like, you like, we like. I like tennis. Me gusta el tenis. You like to play. Te gusta jugar. We like soccer. Nos gusta el fútbol. Partido or juego both mean game. Notice in Spanish, some of these words will be the same, but they have different meanings. Like in this first one, yo juego is I play. But juego can also mean game. Juego and partido. So if we want to say there is a baseball game Monday. Hay un juego de béisbol el lunes. And then finally, for the word for player is jugador. For this one, we got the basketball player. El jugador de baloncesto. Alright, finally, we'll go over some of these actions in each sport. So in a lot of these, we're going to have this action to run, correr. Remember how we conjugated. If you want to say I run, yo corro. If we want to say the player runs, el jugador corre. In baseball, players catch the ball, atrapar. They also bat, batear, and throw, lanzar or tirar. In baloncesto, basketball, we've got some of these actions like driblar, encestar. Y tenis, we use la raqueta to hit the ball. The actual word to hit the ball, golpear la pelota, and then la red is net. And then finally, we're going to learn positions in each sport too. An example in soccer, el fútbol. The goalie is portero. To score a goal, meter un gol. And then tocar, to touch. You can't touch the ball with your hand in soccer. So, you cannot tocar el balón con la mano. Make sure to look at your vocab for 5 minutes a night and have a great spring break.